Okay, this is another attempt with the ABHA coil. Just a quick drawing as to what you're looking at, because we have a lot of mess here. Battery to the pulse width modulator, the ZVS, flyback, spark gap on one leg here. This is actually going through this toroid and back. So we have a bifilar winding. One side of the leg is going out through to the earth, the other side is going in through to the ABHA coil, or Rodin coil, however you want to call it. Underneath that I have a Tesla bifilar. I'm trying to collect some extra energy through the coupling there in the field, through two Schottky diodes and then a cap, and then I've got a meter there. In the center, on top of this and this, through this and on the top of this, I have a small air core copper wound coil with two open ends. This seems to help stimulate the larger strip light that I have, 36 watt, and coming back out of the Rodin coil I have a diode pointing back in this way, and another strip light of 5 watts which goes into the earth. So we're using a bit of the Tesla principle here. Just a quick look at the setup. So we have battery, pulse width modulator going in to ZVS, which is going in through to the flyback. This leg of the flyback is going through the toroid. This is a bifilar wound. Yeah, one side of where are we? Yeah, so one side is going in to the Rodin coil, or the ABHA coil. The other side of the toroid is going in through to an earth cable over here, and in the center we have this air core underneath. If you can see, I have a small bifilar coil. We have the two positives and the negative coming from that into the rectifier, if it doesn't fall to bits, and then through to this capacitor, and then we have the voltmeter. So I'll start it up and then I'll turn the lights out, just so you can see the effect. So we start the spark here until we reach the frequency it needs to resonate at. You see the lights come on there. It's pretty bright, and if it'll work now, yes. Basically it's similar to the Tesla setup, but putting this in the center seems to help stimulate the lighting. So we're getting a slight increase. Just a second, and the lights off. And you can see it's a little bit crazy actually, because I don't know if you can see with this, when I will touch this, earthing it seems to send it crazy. That's pretty cool. So we definitely need something different to what we have. But yeah, that's an improvement on last time. with this coil. We'll just get it set up. You can see the wave being produced. I don't know if you can see it on this. When I earth it, yeah, you see the field that's being produced. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to see what this battery is using. We're not using a lot, that's for sure. So we may be able to capture more than what it's using because of the amount of energy that's being used to power the system. Also, we're using the Tesla principle. I have two earth cables. I don't know if I showed you this one. That's with the from the strip light to the diode and then down here. So we have 1 and 2. So yeah, it's just trying to find ways of how to collect the energy from this coil. If we can put something in this center, I think that's a good start. Wonder how many we can light, if we can light any more. Oh yeah. Anyway, please comment. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we haven't used too much energy to have the system run. Yeah, interesting though. And this was because earlier I didn't use this technique where we basically set it up like a bifilar. So we have to find the ends of each wire individually and connect those, and so we have 2 remaining, which is where we put the power through the system. Thanks for watching.